For those of you who have a tankless heater for domestic hot water, if you don't know it, if you have any hardness to your water, and almost everybody does, you need to do a chemical cleaning on these heaters so they don't get plugged up with scale. And the scale is generally calcium or hardness that's contained in the water. If you have a water softener, then your problem's probably not too bad. You can buy this kit. It's called a Haymaker, and it comes with this 2.5 gallon plastic bucket, a pump, the 2 hoses. One hose goes from the pump to the cold water inlet, and the other hose goes from the hot water outlet back down to the bucket. You put a gallon of water in this, and you add 1 quart cleaning solution that comes from this company, and you circulate it through the heater for about 45 minutes, and you flush it out. I have a water softener, and I got some scale out of this, so it is a good idea to do it. I intended to clean this after 6 months, and I forgot about it, and it's been about 7 or 8. I poured the contents of the bucket through a coffee filter, so most of it was dissolved, and this is undissolved solids. And the way this works, you have a shut-off valve here, and these are service valves here and here. So you shut off the cold water, you shut off the hot water discharge, you open these 2 service valves, you're pumping solution in through here, it goes through the heater, comes back from this hose and goes back into the bucket. Before you do this, you want to turn off this heater. You do not want this to fire up when you're doing this. And that's pretty simple. One of these kits costs $100 and something. It includes the pump and 1 bottle of solution, the bucket, and the hoses. And that's probably a heck of a lot less than you would be charged by a plumbing service to come out and clean your heater. And I intend to do this every 6 months. The heat exchanger inside one of these heaters, the flow paths or the passageways are very small, and they're easily plugged by scale. So after circulating the cleaning solution, and I emptied it out, and I replaced it with clean water, and I circulate just the clean water through the heater for a while. And mainly that's to flush out the pump and the hoses, get rid of that solution for the next cleaning. And I do that twice. And when I'm done, I'll come back up here and I'll shut this service valve. I'll open this service valve and just let water go through the tank and out this hose to the drain, and do that for about 5 minutes. And then you're done. Pretty simple. Most anybody can do this, and it's a lot cheaper way to maintain your heater. There's a foam hose on the intake to this pump. That foam on there is a filter, and that's intended to keep any scale in that from being sucked into the pump and pumped back through the heater. When you get done, you want to back flush that foam, let it dry out real good, let all of this dry out real well before you put it back in the bucket and put the lid on it, and you're ready for the next service.